Hello, my name is Olga Van Light and I would like to show you our standard Brita filters. We actually absolutely love them because these replacements are actually going to save 1,200 bottles. Imagine how much plastic it actually is, and you can see that it comes with patented aeration design that ensures consistent flow of water, built-in mesh screens to prevent black flecks, ion exchange resin helps to reduce impurities in your water, as well as activated carbon to help reduce chlorine and basically like tastes and all kind of odors as well. And yes, so basically let me actually show you the filter itself so all of you could see exactly how it looks. So it comes in a packaging like this. Each filter is individually packaged. That ensures the best. And yes guys, again, here's how it looks, right? So absolutely love it, and I hope that all of you would be able to appreciate it as well and save a lot of bottles, right? Because again, who wants all that plastic in the ocean? Absolutely